Hi you guys, it's your girl Simrat. Welcome back to my channel. As always, I love you guys so much. Thank you for supporting me. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you are my subscriber, welcome back. So right now I am cooking. I'm gonna share with you guys about how I prep my meal, and I have not signed up for a show yet. I'm thinking maybe soon. So as soon as I sign up for a show, I'll be even sharing with you guys in detail. Also, I will show you guys how I transform my body from the beginning to the end, because I haven't done that. So I think this will be a great way for you guys to kind of see my journey through my fitness bodybuilding journey, as you guys know. And right now I have decided that I want to do a show soon, and there's a potential in a few months, so I will keep you updated. But right now I hope you enjoy this meal prep, and I'm gonna go out and do some errands, so I'll bring you guys with me. For now, that's it. So welcome back. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. As always, it means so much to me. I love you guys. Let's do it. ኣብዚ ሎሚ ግዜ ዘለኹዎ ንቅድዳም ሳይን አፕ አይገበርኩም ዘለኹ ግን ቁርብተይ እንዳተዳለኹ እየ ዘለኹ ምክንያቱ ኣብዚ ቁርብ ወርሕታት ክጅምር እየ ማለት እዩ። You guys, so I just finished cooking. I am cutting my chicken so that way I can start preparing. You know, it's easier once you have it ready, and all you have to do is just grab and go. Yeah, so I'm just cutting all the chicken. I also have my veggie already ready for like a little while. سلام حوالكي أنا سمرتي بهال وقام سلام متأخم and بدعمي هذا مسكنكم أترسعوا like غورو share غورو and subscribe ناتي channel مالتيو لما عاتي بزعامي قلق علىكم هيك كنقرأكم كم يقرأ أنا مقبي سرح لسبورت كوارادر كلهم تعني مقبي بل على إني حجي كريئكم تي دورها كم يقرأ أب أفن جيرة كوجيريو vegetable كأجيرة له so I hope you فتحمت هونو and yeah. Alright, so I have all my veggies right here. I use just the regular good old aluminum, and I have here chopped up veggies also all ready to go. I also have my chicken here. I know it's ready to be cooked. So this is gonna go in here somehow, make it fit. And there you have it. So I'm gonna check on the veggie. Alright you guys, I have my veggie out. Look at that, it's ready. And so I will wait. I got my scale here, and then a little bit, this is how I weigh my food. There you go. So I just finished cooking. I am cutting my chicken so that way I can start preparing. You know, it's easier once you have it ready, and all you have to do is just grab and go. Yeah, so I'm just cutting all the chicken. I also have my veggie already ready for like guys, so I have to zero out. Gonna weigh in my chicken, 3 ounces. So more, 2, 3. So there you go, 3 ounces. So then you take that, put it in a container right here, and do the same thing. Alright, all done.